Hello everybody, how are you? Very welcome to all students. Today is very important topic and very interesting topic. Yesterday we have also discussed about the Olympic, ancient Olympic and modern Olympic, and some flame and torch and related to motto of Olympic. Now we today discuss about the symbols of the Olympic and their objective of Olympics and development value through Olympic. And now proceed to International Olympic Committee and the Indian Olympic Association. Both committee will discuss further. First discuss about the Olympic symbol and objective of Olympic. First discuss about the Olympic symbol. Everyone see anywhere in when conducted Olympic, so where only 5 ring is there any places, या we can say that in interest guest जैसे अपने टोक्यो ओलंपिक में देखा तो वहाँ पर जो 5 rings थे, 5 interlocking rings in Olympic. Flag also present in Olympic because 5 rings interconnected, interlinked, that is called Olympic symbol. An Olympic ring. Where is the 5 color? Blue, yellow, black, green or red. Red rings, you 5 rings interconnected with each others in a sequence way. And first, I mention here, first symbol is blue color. And I already told you in a India Olympic flag. So here Olympic flag is different and Olympic symbol is different. Olympic flag and Olympic symbol mentioned in Olympic flag. So here we discuss about only Olympic symbol. So first ring is called blue ring. Which color? Blue color. First. Then second ring interconnect to third ring. Second ring interconnect to third ring. So second ring is which color? Second is color is yellow color. Second ring is which color? Yellow color. Then third ring color black color. And then fourth ring color green color. And fifth ring color is a red color. These different five colors rings interconnected with each other in a sequence way. First, blue interconnect to yellow ring interconnect to black ring, and black ring interconnect to green ring, and green ring interconnect to red ring. So here, sequence like this: blue, yellow, black, green, and red. Not like this, because interconnect series. So here first blue, yellow, black, green, and red. And these 5 rings represents different continents. Yesterday we have also talking about the different continents. 5 continents represent the 5 rings in Olympics, because 5 Olympic want to connect whole world in unite form, whole world in one form. So that's why all rings interconnect to each other. The symbol of interconnecting all world in a united in a world, to united the world and make a friendship and solidarity development. So these purpose Olympic ring, the Olympic symbol developed by Pierre Coubertin, and Olympic symbol also present in Olympic flag. So here 5 continents represented by the different rings. 5 continents. First Africa, second America, Asia, Australia and Europe. So each ring different color represent different continents. And each ring's color proposed by the each ring color proposed by पियर बायरन डी कुबर्टिन। किसके उसमें? पियर बायरन डी कुबर्टिन। ईच रेंज कलर प्रपोज बाय द पियर बायरन डी कुबर्टिन। किसने प्रपोज किया था? पियर बायरन डी कुबर्टिन ने प्रपोज किया था हर एक कलर को। सो ये हर एक कलर सिंबल करता है किसको? हर एक कलर सिंबल करता है किसको? डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कॉन्टिनेंट्स को। सो अब ना ओलंपिक मोटो। ओलंपिक मोटो, ओलंपिक मोटो, ओलंपिक सिंबल, and yesterday we already told you Olympic flag, Olympic flag, Olympic ceremony, Olympic flag, Olympic motto, and Olympic flame, and Olympic oath. Now today we will discuss about the Olympic symbol and Olympic motto. In Olympic symbol, here five color, different color represent different continents by the help of Pierre Baron de Coubertin. Pierre Baron de Coubertin is the father of modern Olympic. Now discuss about the Olympic motto. Olympic motto comes from taken from the Latin word. An Olympic motto proposed by the Pierre Baron de Coubertin friends Didon in 1895. Olympic motto proposed by the Didon, friend of Pierre Baron de Coubertin. Didon, friend of Pierre Baron de Coubertin in 1895. So here, Olympic motto comes from Latin word. Which word? Latin word. First, Citius. CTS, LTS and 4TS. CTS, LTS and 4TS. And CTS means faster. CTS means speed sound. Faster. LTS means altitude. Altitude means higher. Faster, higher, and 4TS means forceful, means stronger. Now in 2020 Tokyo Olympic, one word also added: togetherness. So complete motto, Latin word is CTS, LTS and 4TS, but in 2020 Tokyo Olympic change it. So here complete motto of Olympic is faster, higher, stronger plus togetherness. और क्या है? Plus means ये भी add हो गया togetherness. So here faster, higher, stronger and togetherness. ये कब चेंज हुआ togetherness? When which Olympic? In Tokyo 2020 Olympic. Togetherness. That is very important, togetherness, because it is newly added in Olympic motto. By the International Olympic Committee. Togetherness added by the International Olympic Committee. So it is very very important. So here complete motto of Olympic and proposed by the Didon, and city scientists come from Latin word that means faster, higher, stronger, and faster, stronger, or togetherness. That is a faster means running faster, higher means jumping higher, and throwing stronger means throwing further, throwing stronger. So that is running faster, jumping higher, and throwing stronger with togetherness. So that is a complete motto. Now we will discuss about the Olympic ideal, Olympic objectives. Olympic ideal means first Olympic game. Remember, Bishop Pennsylvania famous sermon says that the important thing in Olympic is not to win but to take a part. The important thing in life is not a triumph but struggle. The essential thing is not to have conquered but to have fought well. So इन्होंने Olympic ideal says that you participate in Olympic, that doesn't matter you win and lose, but take participation. That is says Olympic ideals. Olympic ideals says that doesn't matter you are winning and losing the game, but matter is you are taking a part. You are taking a part in different competition. You are taking a participation in Olympic games. That is a very important. Same here when life. You doing struggle, that is not matter you are winning, losing, but struggle is continuous, that is important. So in Olympic ideal says that you are take a participation in Olympic. Winning and losing, that is other matter, but take a participation in Olympics. That is a Olympic ideal. And we already told that when you participate in Olympics, that is a very very big things from our country to our country and our country's citizenship. So here Olympic ideas is complete. Now we will talk about what you need by the and what is the objective of Olympic. What is the objective of Olympic? What is the objective of Olympic? And now different objectives and lot of objectives to the Olympic, because Olympic is a very very broad concept and very important concept to sports industry and sports field to maintain decorum and growth of sports in the whole world, because Olympic is only competition in a very large stage in the world. And after that Commonwealth, Asian Games, but most and very important competition in sports field only Olympic. So here we discuss about the objective of Olympic. Olympic objectives is very very important, because without you know any objective of any particular things, you don't value it. And objective and importance, everybody know about the Olympic, objective of Olympic. Everybody want to know about that, because very very important and very very interesting by Olympic organized. How to Olympic use for our countries, because that is very bigger organizations, and how to benefit all over the world through engaging Olympic. So here we have discussed about, we are discussing about the Olympic objectives. Now first Olympic objectives is it to pay attention to the physical education and sports. Pay attention to the physical education and sports. पहला है pay attention to physical Second point, to develop personality, character and citizenship quality and health among the youth. We engage in Olympics, so which personality develop? What develop? Personality development, character development, citizenship quality development. So when participate in physical activity in any sports. So here to develop personality, character. The second objective, to develop personality and character. To develop personality and character. Now third Olympic says that formation of good habit among the sports person to maintain healthier life. Because when you engage in physical activity, you do one daily, so that is comes in your habits. So that is very good habit, because to maintain your health. So formation of good habits. Third, to develop patriotism and fraternity among sports person. Patriotism, how to develop patriotism? When Neeraj Chopra competed in Tokyo Olympics, so all the citizens, all the country and all the peoples motivate Neeraj Chopra from our home, because that is of reason is patriotism, Deshbhakti. And here Neeraj Chopra represent whole country, represent all the people in the from the country. हर एक पूरी कंट्री के लोगों का एक वो पूरी कंट्री को और एक कंट्री के लोगों की आशाओं को रिप्रेजेंट करता है वहां पर. सो दैट इज कम्स अंडर द पेट्रियोटिज्म. डेवलप पेट्रियोटिज्म इन स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन. Develop patriotism. Now to develop international fraternity and peace. Make international relations and peace. Develop peace. How when compete all the players and all the countries compete in one platform, so automatically interchange. Make a good bonding to each players and each sportsman. So develop peace. Like when conflict between two countries, so there forget conflict any things and then make a good bonding between different sportsmen, sport person and different peoples. So, and last and very most important objective, to not discrimination in any caste, race or any religion. No discrimination. Caste, religious and race. Caste, religious, no discrimination based on caste, religious and race. So यहाँ पर किसी को डिस्क्रिमिनेट नहीं किया जाता कि वुमेन्स को मेन्स को डिस्क्रिमिनेट किया जाता हो, किसी को भी डिस्क्रिमिनेट नहीं किया जाता. सो दैट इज अवर मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ ओलंपिक. प्लीज नोट डाउन. Now develop value through Olympism. Develop value through Olympism. How to develop value through Olympism? Develop value through Olympism. ओलंपिक क्या डेवलप करता है कंट्री के बीच में, एक दूसरे कंट्री के बीच में, विच थिंग्स डेवलप बिटवीन द ईच कंट्री. सो सबसे फर्स्ट एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, ओलंपिक डेवलप by Olympic games formulated by the Coubertin, and immediately know the Coubertin wanted to develop these value through Olympism, and value developed through Olympism by the engaging Olympic game. And so here first develop friendship. First thing develop friendship. Friendship between two countries. Friendship developed between two countries. Second, solidarity. Enhance solidarity because feeling of brotherhood and united among various nations. How to develop solidarity? Brotherhood, भाईचारे की भावना, and then unite among different countries in one platform and united all the world. So that is develop also solidarity. Now fair play. Third is now because fair play is very important, because there in Olympic no fair play, so no interested and no country participate because discriminate, we can say that injustice to some players. So avoid that in some players. So fair play is very important in Olympic game. So develop fair play means no injustice any person, any player from any country. So here fair play is very important. Suppose that free from discrimination, and last and most important, free from discrimination. Because no discrimination from on the base of race, religious, and your caste, race and religious. No discriminate in Olympic. You come from any caste, you come from any race, you come from any religious, so equal treatment given by the Olympic committee to any player participate from any countries and any religious and any caste. No discriminate to each and every, no discriminate to anyone by the Olympic committee and Olympic organization officers. So here develop friendship, brotherhood and solidarity and fair play, and to unite the world in one platform. So that is very important. Develop value of through Olympism. So Olympism, why we can say that Olympic according to P.I.D. Coubertin says that develop the value through Olympic, that is called Olympism. जो वैल्यू डेवलप होती है तो उन्होंने उसको नाम दिया ओलंपिज्म, सो अब जैसे कुछ एक्सेप्शंस हैं, जैसे बर्लिन ओलंपिक में क्या हुआ था, हिटलर ने जो अफ्रीकन अमेरिकन था जेसी ओम्स, उसने 4 मेडल मारे थे, बट उन्होंने उन्हें मेडल नहीं दिए. ये कहीं ना कहीं डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हो गया था, कहीं ना कहीं डिस्क्रिमिनेट हो गए थे. सो ये एक फेयर प्ले, ये फ्री फ्रॉम डिस्क्रिमिनेशन पॉइंट आ जाता है. बट इन थ्रू engage in sports activity and engage in Olympic. So Olympic main motto is to create friendship, to create solidarity, and to create united brotherhood form, to create united between the nation. So that is the most and very main objective of physical education, main objective of Olympic, and also we can say that physical education and sports also, because without Olympic, physical education and sports not possible in the world. So first target and most important is Olympic, because officials want to go their players in Olympic, players want to go Olympic, play Olympic, So it is everyone dream. So because Olympic is a very high and very important and very top competition in the world. So Olympic is very important in sports field. I already told you. So they develop different values and different objectives by the Olympic committee. So I hope you are understand very well, and tomorrow we discuss about the Olympic. Tomorrow we'll discuss about the Olympic Committee and International Olympic Committee. Thank you. Have a nice day.